So, hi everyone, let's get this done. My last video was about the price leak of the PlayStation 5 that happened on Amazon France, or as I should say, allegedly happened on Amazon France's website. Since then, we've gotten a couple of updates. What I wanted to say first was that my last video wasn't of the highest quality, and I hope this one is a little bit of an upgrade. So, getting back to the PS5's price. We can see here from TechRadar that there is an update on the story. Amazon France has confirmed to TechRadar that the image being circulated with the PS5 price and release date is actually a fake and not from the website itself. The screenshot showing a PS5 product page on Amazon.fr with a price of 499 euros and a release date on November 20th is a fake and is not coming from our website. Quote by Amazon France. So, what does this mean? It means that we're back on square one. We don't have actually a price for the PS5, or let's say it this way, uh, a hint to go on. What I wanted to do in this video was to go through a couple of things that I do think hold water and are a good indicator of what to expect. First of all, I've seen a lot of YouTubers that actually do a lot of comparisons between the PlayStation's initial price in 1995, PlayStation 2's 5 in 2000, and so on. This tends to be a little bit misleading. What they normally do is that they just take the inflation price as per the current year. I guess this one right here in IGN's website is of 2016. That doesn't tell you much. For example, you see that the games in the last 20 years, more or less, have stayed around the $60 mark, the $60 price. This isn't because the companies want to make less money based on inflation, as some of these people would make you believe. It's not that they're going to make you believe, but that's the logical deduction from that. What happens is that here we need to deal with customer willingness to pay. This is a very important factor when deciding the price of a product. And as you can see here, we've always had incremental upgrades in price. The whole debacle with the PlayStation 3, which had an introductory price of 499 US dollars and 599 US dollars for the 60 gigabyte model, that isn't just because the price was high. It's because compared to the last model that we had, which was the PlayStation 2 6 years prior to that, the price was $200 to $300 higher. Now, in those 6 years, nothing happened to make the customers be more accepting of this price. The technology might have been, and for sure I do believe that the jump in quality between the PlayStation 2 and the PlayStation 3 is a huge one, and my own personal opinion is that that jump was not as big when we moved from the PlayStation 3 to the PlayStation 4, even though the difference in years is pretty much the same, 6 to 7 years. That's why the PlayStation 3 had such a rough start, and you have a lot of videos, a lot of documentaries going into it. What happened in this generation, however, is that we got something in the midlife cycle of the PlayStation 4. We got the PS4 Pro. Now, this is the year 2020 that we're talking about. It's the end of the PS4's life cycle. We're moving to the PS5. It's a new generation. However, still, as this video is being recorded in June of 2020, the PS4's price is still almost $400. Now, a lot of people are buying this console. A lot of people are showing to the company and to the market itself that they are willing to accept the $400 price for a console. It might have the tag Pro in it. However, it has become kind of the default for a lot of people. I don't. I have a normal one, but hey, that's me. What I wanted to say was that the market has gotten comfortable with the 400 buck price tag for a console. That means then come November, my guess, and Sony releases the PlayStation 5, what do you guys think? Are they actually going to sell it for a cheaper price than the PS4 Pro? No, it's a generational leap. Of course, it's going to be more expensive. What's the smallest increment that they can do? $100. And I really do believe that the 499 US dollars or 499 euros, as per the leak or the the fake leak of Amazon Friends, I really do think that that's right. That's a good assumption, and hey, I'd be willing to bet on it and put some actual money on it. Maybe it makes it less painful to buy the PS5 when it comes out. So I, in conclusion, I really do think that even though the price leak on Amazon.fr was a fake, I do believe that the sentiment behind it, the guess behind it, is a correct one. During this whole video, I've talked only about the main version of the console. Of course, there is the digital edition. I am not gonna speculate anything on what the price is gonna be there. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm not gonna argue about it. However, about when it comes to the main console, I do believe that it's gonna be more expensive than the PS4 Pro. And seeing that the PS4 Pro is already $400, it's not gonna be that price. It's definitely not gonna be that price. However, I don't think it's gonna be 600 either. It's a little bit too much of a leap, I guess. Really, that's it. That's it. That's all that I got for you today. Hope it helps. And don't forget, if you still want to see the previous video, I still do recommend it because it doesn't go so much into the logic of the price itself. It actually goes into the comparison between the price strategies in two main different markets. So in Europe, in the Eurozone, and in the US. I still recommend it. So have a good one. Bye.